Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin seems to finally have decided which region it wants to break out of this constrained price action. We talked about that yesterday, that we had here this descending trend line and an ascending trend line basically forming a triangle, and there was a chance obviously to break down from there to make one more low. But as highlighted, this here is and was the region where we expected a low in this A wave after Bitcoin produced potential 5 waves down. And we're waiting, or were waiting here, for a B wave to play out. This could now be this B wave, yeah, in an ABC structure. Now here I need to tell you that it seems to have started, yeah, because also we broke above this A wave high now at 30,190, and we're now at 30,200. So I think levels to watch are between 30,706. Let me just adjust that slightly, just slightly, that resistance level here, yeah. 30,690 and 31,350. That's sort of what I think we need. I will take the other resistance area out now because I would assume wave 4 here is finished. If we get any evidence that wave 4 never finished, then I will add it back in, but for now I take it out, not to confuse people. But this is certainly resistance. Doesn't mean we have to get there. But it seems likely to at least get close to that area. Now, few things to mention. Yesterday I highlighted that I was very clear about it. Bitcoin, well, not Bitcoin, but in any wave B waves are extremely difficult. They are one of the most difficult waves in the Elliott Wave scheme, yeah, in the Elliott Wave theory. In market structures in general. I mean, it's not something Elliott Wave invented. Yeah, I mean, the wave is there. It's just that that Elliott Wave allows us to understand when are we in a B wave. And I highlighted yesterday earlier already, B waves are very difficult. You see that difficult price action yesterday. If that was all part of the B wave, yeah, it explains why we had so much messy price action yesterday. Few things to remember for B waves. Typically, it's not really reasonable to enter a position just to trade a B wave. I mean, I trade the range here at the moment a little bit casually, okay, which means I buy the setbacks like a grid bot, and I sell into profits. I sell into rallies very casually. Yeah, not really any predetermined targets or anything, but when the market makes money available, I'll take it. And I think that's a good approach because it means you basically zoomed out and you focus on the larger range instead of, okay, I'm now entering a leverage trade just to trade the B wave, which I think often fails, okay? I mean, let's see. I mean, so far we might already be now in this C wave, and it could be that we had the larger A wave finished here on Tuesday, and then the B wave is an ABC structure anyway. I have to assume it's running now because we broke above the A wave high. Okay, not a sustained breakout yet, but let's see if we get it. And it might be that this small B wave within wave B, within circle wave B, was just a triangle, a small Elliott wave triangle. Let me put that onto the chart. A, B, C, D, E, okay, in the wave B. And now we could have that breakout. So that means what could be a target? If we take the Fibonacci extensions, we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and the 1-to-1 ratio takes us to 30,580, and the 1.618 extension to 30,990. The 1.618 extension also overlaps with the golden ratio within the resistance area, so it's certainly a level to watch. So it seems like we broke above the trend line. Oftentimes you see a bit of rapid movement after price has been constrained, but bear in mind we're still in the larger range. So do expect setbacks. I'm not telling you we will get there in a straight line. In fact, I'm not even sure if we get there because I know we are in a B wave and they can just be extremely difficult. They can be extremely short and they can be extremely long. That means technically what am I doing? Again, I'm taking profits as we go, basically to pay myself. Will not sell everything here. Yeah, I will still keep, because I know sometimes B waves can overshoot. It seems unlikely or less likely, because if the A wave, which we had here on the way down, is a 5-wave move, the B wave is typically not extending above the 78.6 retracement at 30,350. But yeah, still you want to be prepared to a degree for those possibilities. It's going to be interesting. Looking forward to see a little bit of movement to the upside here today, because everything here was really boring. So maybe we are getting some price action. And this is sort of roughly what I would look at. Then the idea would be that we find rejection here, that we get some resistance in this area, and that we could then head down in the C wave later. And I would eventually, in this wave 2, see price get into the region between 29,140 and 26,270 or 280. Only below that level down here, below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, the overall assumption that we could be in a wave 2 has to be changed. But for now, it's going according to plan. We came down in 5 waves. We're looking for a turnaround in a B wave rally somewhere in this region. You never exactly know where it's happening. And the B wave seems to be unfolding now. At least we have some early signs. It's not confirmed yet. Again, I want to have a confirmed and sustained breakout above the A wave high. It seems to be going that way, but let's see if the bulls can push it a little higher. Remember, B waves can be very short. They can be very long. So we need to be a bit flexible in the next day or two, I guess. And then we should prepare for a final move down. At least we need to consider it. But until I see the short-term trend break, I cannot assume that the C wave has started. So we always go with the flow here. I'll make you aware. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content every single day. There's some stuff about mindset, technical analysis, Elliott Wave, trading, some signals, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.